Hello chess lovers, Suren here, and now we're going to torture this mighty monster Stockfish 9 with a fantastic chess puzzle. This puzzle was composed by Hashek, first published in 1951. White to move and draw the game. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Ready? Well, as you can see, Stockfish 9 is evaluating the position as completely winning for black and is giving black minus 11 points, which means that the game will be over in a few more moves. But actually it's not so easy to win with the black pieces, and actually with a very cunning strategy white is managing to draw the game. First, white is playing b4 check as Stockfish is suggesting. White is first locking up the queen side, king b6, and now a very important move. As you can see here, Stockfish 9 is suggesting king c1 or rook b1 or rook takes h7, but all those moves are losing. Let's have a look at this rook takes h7 move, which looks very tempting. You are winning a piece, but it turns out that this allows black queen to jump on c8 square and then to intrude inside white's camp by using the vulnerability of this f file. Now if king c1 trying to free this rook on a1, then queen f5, king b2, and now we have a critical position where it's very important not to make a mistake and win this rook on h7. Queen takes h7 is one of Engine's first choices, but actually this allows white to draw the game. For example, if you capture on h7, then white can play rook f1 and this is a draw. This rook is controlling the f file. There is no way to break through with the black pieces. White is successfully managing to form a fortress and there is no way to make a progress with the black pieces, and this is a draw. That's why after king b2, black should play simply queen f3, acting against rook d1 and king c1, though of course playing queen f2 straight away was also winning. If rook takes g7, then simply queen e2. This queen is starting to grab white pawns and it's over. Black is winning. Let's go back. That's why after king b6, instead of winning this bishop on h7, white is playing a fantastic move. Actually, that move appeared in Stockfish choice. We see that rook f5 move, yes, the third choice of my engine. Rook f5. This is a fantastic move which allows white to win a precious time and form a fortress. Black is capturing on f5. Now comes king e1, queen c8. Black queen is hurrying to penetrate white's camp, but because of the fact that this light square bishop is blocking the f file, white is managing to consolidate his position just in time. King f2, queen f8, and a very important move which Stockfish is also managing to find, rook h1. White is simply immuring his rook on h1 square. Bishop e6 discovered check and king g1, and believe it or not, but this is a draw. White's position is super solid, there is no way to break through with the black pieces, and this fortress is impregnable. Now if black tries to intrude inside white's camp by playing queen f3, then this is a stalemate. White has no legal moves, and if black moves away his queen from the f file, then simply king f2. If queen f7 check, again king g1, and white is managing to draw the game successfully. A very impressive defensive strategy by white. Look at this, black has a queen and a bishop against the rook, but there is no way to win. This puzzle actually reminds me of Hashek's other puzzle, which I published a few days earlier. The defensive strategies look very similar. In both cases, white is managing to draw the game with the help of a stalemate. Still, as you can see, Stockfish 9 is evaluating the position as completely winning for black, but as you have already understood, there is no way to break through and this is a draw. My mighty Stockfish is just unable to realize that this fortress is impregnable. Thanks for watching, I hope that you enjoyed this brilliant puzzle. For more puzzles, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. Good luck.